Okay, let's go. Okay, hi guys. I am now at a project called Seduduk Kajang, and okay, I'm not a property investor, but it's the first time I'm buying a property that I know I will not stay here, but solely because I think it's worth buying. And now I'm walking around the vicinity of his show unit, which later on will become commercial unit. Okay, so in front where I'm walking towards is the project, is the location of the project. They are now starting the project. All right, all around you, you will see that this place is being blocked up. There is another project coming up. So this place is in Kajang. It's not near KL at all. Even if the buyers will most likely be Kajang people. But look at what's ahead of me, Tropicana Heights. Yes, this project is right smack next to Tropicana Heights. Okay, so why it attracted me to pull the trigger or put in my name and booking is that I see a very worth buying project here, and I like the whole concept. So you can see that is a cafe coming up soon. All right, and of course I rely on the little drone behind me to show you where I'm walking towards, and I hope it works. Can you see the drone behind me? See the guy there? All right. Anyway, so all these are barricaded up now because they are doing the project. The construction is there. But now if you want to check out anything about Seduduk Kajang, you can come here, okay? I hope my drone can pass through this narrow spot. Let me guide him here. Okay. All right. Hello. Okay, let's have a look here. Now if you come here on the weekends or any day to check out this place, this is the cafe and whatnot, some Instagrammable place. And I hope the drone don't crash into anything. It's my first time using it. All right, please don't crash. Please don't crash. Okay, come. There's some swings over there, and there is a park over there. I'll show you the whole thing. All right, let's go in. Stop this first. Again, part of the Duduk concept, whereby the focus is a project that is worth buying, honest. It's not some crazy commercialized location where you have universities, where you have medical centers and all that. No, it's not. It is not that type of project, okay? This is mainly for Kajang people, okay? And moreover, opposite, there will be another project coming up as well. But that's it. That means once this is built, right, the overall 360, right, is all matured. Nothing will be built except this facing, okay? But it's all right. This is not KL. You can't see any KL towers from here anyway. And Kajang youngsters, okay? This is the layout of the project. There is a west tower, north tower, east and north, all right? And these are the smaller units, 500 square foot unit compliance, and this is the facility deck. Facility deck is on level 11. I actually pulled the trigger for level 9. Level 9 doesn't have this, and I'll explain later. It took me 30 minutes just now from my home in Taman Desa. All I saw is that I'm right next to Tropicana Heights. Yeah, it's the first Seduduk outside Ecoworld Township. This is the whole thing when it's done, okay? 1,000 over units, shop lots down there. No need to talk about it, it's all taken up. And this is where the show house is. This is where the cafe is. It will be like the prime shop lot that will be permanently there, okay? Once it is, now look at this. This is the lake, beautiful lake, built by Tropicana last time, but of course hand over to the city council. And then this is the entrance. This is the pool and the gym. Let me make it clear. All these are illustration now. It hasn't been finalized, but roughly it is there. This is roughly how it will be. So it's a very fun type of development for young families, for young kids, okay? As you can see, it's all matured around you. I think the lake is over here. This tower or this tower, you'll be facing more of the lake. This one, you can see some of it, okay? Anyway, the reason I pulled the trigger is first and foremost the whole concept of the project. The unique unit type that is available from level 4 to level 9, where you actually can park in front of your house. I am attracted by that, to be honest. And then this is the 1,000 square foot, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 2 car parks, okay? Starting at 400-ish thousand. I am now entering the condo, the unit, from the balcony. This is not the actual ceiling height. The actual ceiling height, you have to drop a feet more, somewhat, where the aircon starts. So you can see the living room is not crazy big, just enough, just comfortable. The way they design, I mean, Ecoworld, Seduduk project, they all follow this concept of maximizing space. Yeah, it feels like a 1,002 square foot condo. Okay, this is the entrance. Okay, this is, once you enter, this is how it looks like. If I pull the curtain, you will have a better view. So this is how it is. Look at that. These are all ID. Okay, they don't come with a unit. All right, the unit is bare, but then you can see that. Now these are supplied. Okay, these will be supplied. The L-shaped kitchen cabinet, the bottom one, not the top one. Okay, you get the electric cook as well. These are 2 windows. No aircon. No aircon. There's only 1 aircon in the living room and 1 aircon in the master room. Okay, and then they give you a dryer. Other than that, everything is ID. Very usable space. You can have a 6-person dining table. You can have an island over here. Blah blah blah. My first condo that I bought is 1,000 square foot. And it feels way smaller than this. So that's why I like Ecoworld's project, because they give you very, very, very practical layout. This is the master room. You come inside here, it's not ginormous, but again, it's usable. This is a king size, this is not a queen. And then here, yes, there is a cabinet here, but for a married family, this cabinet size is definitely not enough. So you have to do the type of cabinet that is L-shaped, and then bottom part, there is a part for you to do your makeup, but you need to make use of the space up there to become your cabinet for more storage. Or you can have a thinner cabinet that goes all the way down with the bed push out slightly, tighter space here. But that's how it is, to be practical. Okay, in the toilet, everything is provided except the mirror, the loose items, and it will not be this type of built-in shower and integrated heater up there to prevent maintenance issues. You know those heaters that store up there and then you get water leaking and all that. So it will be an external shower unit. Do take note on that. It will be an external shower unit. But the type of tiles is provided. The laminated wood floor for rooms is provided. And out here, the tiles will be provided as well. Here, you have a common toilet or powder room for guests and all that. And placement is just enough to be shared by these two. Now you can see that there is no shower screen here. Yes, this toilet is not big at all. Now, if it is external unit, it's up to you how you want it to be mounted. So you can have variation there, but honestly, it's not a super big bathroom. So this room is here. Now, this is not a full glass thing. It's a wall because this is the structure. This is the commercial building structure. So they can't change that much, all right? This is just a simple room, just enough space for you to have a proper wardrobe, and then you can have a study over here. And here as well, almost the same thing, okay? Again, no full height glass, all right? It is walls and windows. Remember this is primarily for young families, that's it. And for me, I'm putting my name in purely for investment. I don't think it will fly 400k to 600k, but near 500 is totally possible, judging how things are going. First thing first, when you buy a project, when it's a big developer like Ecoworld, you know it will be delivered. And I called Thomas, told him about it. He didn't even see the show unit. He said, what location? I said, hey, don't bother about location. It's right next to Tropicana Heights. They hijacked the lake, so you get the lake right next to the unit. Basically, you come out from Gut House, you can walk to the lake, and you got a big park right next to you. So that's all I see. That is what I see, and that's why I put my name down. Again, I'm not a seasoned property investor. Kajang is not a place that is booming with activities, with people lining up to rent your unit. No, it is not. It is mainly for residential. but I think this is a good buy because of the location. Yay! Yeah. Wow, Rachel also put her name down. Ah, yes, that's what I want to see. Yes. Hey, stop moving. Okay. This is what got me. This is the whole plot of the project. Okay, see that? That's the whole thing. And these are the commercial short lots. These are the small, tiny 500 square foot units that are for compliance. This is the whole facility deck. I'm eyeing this tower, which faces here, but I think I can see the lake as well. Okay, but overall, look at that. This beautiful park and lake was created by the developer here, but this one is right next to it, and the guardhouse is here. So you just walk out. You can just walk out from the guardhouse, and then you have your own park. It's a bit like Desa Park City, right? They don't own waterfront anyway. Look at the towers, how tiny they are. So no point. So yep, this is Seduduk at Kajang. You can come over and have a look at yourself. Have a look at it yourself. All right? Cheers.